Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your computer science teacher, and in this video I'm gonna show you all the steps to make a PowerPoint with some animations. So the project or the final product of today's project is gonna be as shown in this PowerPoint. So in the first slide we just have the title of the slideshow, the title of the presentation, and and then you write your name. And then when we go to the next slide we will have some pictures, and then we will start the animation. So this is gonna be like an conversation between the mother and the kid. Yeah, so I hope you will enjoy making this PowerPoint. Okay, so let's start with making a new PowerPoint. So I'm gonna go to my folder here, and then right click with the mouse, then new, then Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm gonna give it a name. So I'm gonna name it Mother's Day Gift. You can choose any name you want, it's fine. And then double click on the file, so we will open the file. Oops. Okay, so this is my file, the Mother's Day gift. And okay, it's written here, click to add first slide. So I'm gonna click to add the first slide, and I want to remove all the text box that we have. So just click on the box and then press on the delete button on the keyboard. The same with the other text box. So now I have an empty slide type. So let's start with the background. How can we change the background of the slide? With the mouse here in the middle here, with the mouse right click with the mouse, and then go to format background, press on it, and as you can see here, this window here will show up, and here you can see the third one here, picture or texture fill. So press on picture or texture fill, and here the picture source, you have this button here, the insert button. Press on the insert button and then go to one of these. So I'm gonna choose the online pictures because I want to search on the internet for background for my slide. So in the search bar here, I'm gonna write. I'm making a PowerPoint for the Mother's Day. So I'm gonna write Mother's Day background. Okay, let me change something here. Okay, so you can choose one of these, but I'm gonna choose this one. I think we have enough space to add the pictures and the text. So I'm gonna choose this one. So I choose this one, and then I will press on the insert button. So as we can see here, we have it, and then I will press here down, apply to all, and then just close that window. So now we have our background again. So right click with the mouse, go to the format background, then I choose the picture or texture fill. Then there is a button here with the insert, press on the insert button, and then you will go to that list, and to choose a picture from the internet I'm gonna choose the online pictures, and here I'm gonna write any keyword for the background, and then if I choose any one of them I'll press on that image, and then I'll press the insert button will show up here. So okay, I don't need to do that because I already have my background. And now I'm gonna try to make a title. So I want to write something. As you can see here, I cannot write anything. I'm writing but nothing will show on my PowerPoint. And that's because if I want to add a text, I need a text box. So to add a text box, I will go to the insert here, to the top insert, and then try to find the text box. As we can see here, we have a text box, and just I will make it there. So I'm gonna write Mother's Day gift. So this is gonna be so this is gonna be the title of my PowerPoint, Mother's Day gift, and then I'm gonna choose the text. I will try to change the uh, the size of the text, the color of the text, and also the text, the font type. I would like to change it to this one because I really like it. So, and the size of the title will be 44. Okay, yeah, that's good. If I want to change the color, I'm gonna press on this icon here, and then it changed the color to, okay, that's fine. Okay, I need another text box for to write my name. So this is gonna be by me, by Mr. Salah. So again, go to the insert, and then the text box. I'm gonna write, make it here, and by. And yes. Okay, if I want to add something here, I just need to add the text box and write what I want to write. So I'm gonna write I love mom, and I want to be, or to make this text here inside the heart. So I just want to draw, yeah, that's gonna be good. Let's change the size of this text. Oh, maybe we can change the color of the text. Okay, I think let's make it a white text. That's good. It's okay, it's good. Okay, so that's it. This is gonna be the first slide, and let's make a new slide. So go to the home. We have this icon here as a new slide. So I'm gonna press on the arrow here and then go to a blank one. So I'm making a new slide type. I will go back to the first slide and press on this text box here, Control C to copy that. I'm gonna copy I love mom here, and I will go to the next slide and Control V. So I'm just copying the same thing, so I don't have to do it again because I want to do the same thing. So yes. Okay, in the second slide, I'm gonna add two characters, the mother and the kid, and I will add some flowers as a gift for the mother. So to add an image or picture on Microsoft PowerPoint, go to the insert and then pictures. I'm gonna choose from the stock images here. Okay, to add the mother and the kid, I will come here and I can choose one of these. So this is gonna be the mother, and for the kid, let's search for child, and yeah, here we have some pictures. We can add one of these. So I'm gonna choose this one now, and yes, so now I have the mother and the kid, or the child, and I can make him look at her. So I will just use the mouse to make him look at his mother. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the flowers image. So go to the insert, and here the pictures, online pictures. I just gonna write the flowers, so because I'm just looking for a flowers, and here to make sure that the flowers, it's not a background, these are backgrounds. So I need a picture without a background, so just press on the filter button, and here make sure to choose the transparent type, and these pictures will be without any background. So I'm gonna choose one of these. Oh yeah, so now to change the size of the picture, use the mouse to change the size of the picture, and then yeah, okay, that's okay, I think that's good. And now let's start the conversation between them. So I will go, you can write anything you want. So I'm gonna make a text box here, and I will go to my old PowerPoint. I'm gonna copy and paste. I don't have to um, redo everything. So I'm gonna copy with Control and C. That's to copy the text. So I have to choose the text. I want to choose the whole thing. So Happy Mother's Day. So I'm gonna choose it and Control C for copy, and then come here and Control V for paste. So I'm copying paste the same text. Okay, I will do the same for the mother. So insert a new text box here for the mother, and go back here, and oh, I have to choose the whole thing. So Control C for copy, and here Control V. So now let's add the animation. So to add the animation, I have to choose the object, the thing that I want to add the animation to. So I want to add an animation for this text box. So choose it, press on the mouse, and so now we choose this text box, and then go to the animations here, and here we have some different animations. You can choose one of these, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So okay, that's fine for me. And then I will go to the mother's text and do the same. Choose the text box and then choose one of these. So I'm gonna stick with the wipe animation, and that's it. So now I'm gonna make a new oh I'm gonna make a new slide for um, the conversation. So here I'm gonna make right click with the mouse, and you can duplicate the slide. So duplicate the slide, so we have the same slide twice, but I'm gonna change the text on the third slide. So I will come here to the slide, and I don't wanna write this thing because that's gonna be a new thing. Okay, now the third slide. So here we have a new text, so make sure to choose the whole text. Control C to copy, and then here Control V to paste the text, and I will do the same here. So I don't wanna okay, and then go to the old PowerPoint and then copy and paste. You can write whatever you want in your project, but here this is just an example for um, how to write a text and then how to use the animation with that text. Oh yeah, so in the third slide we have to change the picture. So the flowers now will be with the mom, not with the child. So I'm gonna use the mouse to move these flowers, and that's it. And now to add a new slide. So I will do duplicate the slide because I don't want to do the same again. I don't want to make a new slide, an empty slide, and then go to the insert and pictures and add the mom and the kid and do these things because I already have them. I'm just gonna duplicate the slide. I will duplicate the slide, and in the new slide, the fourth one, I'm gonna remove this text, I will remove everything and then add a new part. I'm glad that you like it. And then come here and paste the text. The same for mom. I'll go here, copy and paste, and we are done. That's it. So let's see now what is the final product of our project. So we can start the slideshow with this button here. So okay, Mother's Day gift by Salah Al-Kamali, and now when I press anything on the screen I will go to the new slide and happy Mother's Day, and then okay, that's it. I hope you will enjoy making your own PowerPoint.